5, take a chow, feel the vibe. Take 5, come alive. Welcome to Take 5 Slang English Chat Room.
Welcome back to the Take 5 Slang and Idioms Chat Room. I'm Lisa, and we are here to make your English sound as natural as possible.
And I'm Mark. Lisa, I have to tell you, I went to that new coffee shop down the street this morning.
Oh, the one with the gold leaf decorations? How was it?
The coffee was great, but the price? I almost fainted when I saw the bill.
Laughs. Perfect timing, Mark, because today's topic is all about things that cost a lot of money.
Good, because expensive is the only word I knew how to use this morning, and I definitely needed more words to express my shock.
Well, let's get into it and give you some better options. When something costs too much, we have different ways to say it depending on how cool or idiomatic you want to be. Level 1. Plain words like pricey or costly. Level 2. Idiom. It costs an arm and a leg. Level 3. Slang, that's a ripoff.
An arm and a leg? So I have to give them my actual limbs for a latte?
Not literally, Mark. It just means it's extremely expensive, and rip-off is used when you feel the price is unfair for what you get.
I definitely felt ripped off this morning.
And for our natural flavor bonus today, we have steep. We often say, the price is a bit steep. It's a very common, polite way to say something is more expensive than you expected.
Okay, everyone, it's time to practice. I'm going to say these phrases. I want you to repeat them after me during the 5-second pause. Speak loudly. Let's start with level 1. Repeat after me. That hotel looks a bit pricey for a weekend trip. Now, level 2. Let's use that idiom. I love that car, but it costs an arm and a leg. Level 3. Use the slang when the price is unfair. $10 for a bottle of water? What a ripoff. Finally, our natural flavor bonus. Try this one. The membership fee is a bit steep, don't you think? Great job. Your pronunciation is getting better every day.
Let's see these in action. Listen to how Mark and I use them naturally.
Lisa, are you going to buy the new Max Phone 15?
I want to, but the latest model costs an arm and a leg.
I know. I'll stick with my old phone for another year. Lisa, look. This souvenir t-shirt is $50.
$50? That is such a ripoff.
Let's go to the shop around the corner instead.
Mark, did you book your flights for the holiday?
Not yet. The prices are really steep right now because everyone is traveling.
Yeah, holiday travel is always pricey.
Exactly. I don't want to pay an arm and a leg just to sit in economy.
That brings us to our culture tip. In many Western cultures, it's common to complain about high prices with friends, but it can be considered a bit rude to ask someone exactly how much they paid for something personal, like a house or a gift.
That's true. We usually use these phrases to talk about the market price, not necessarily to investigate our friends' bank accounts.
Exactly. Now, for your Take 5 task. Go to the comments and finish this sentence. The last thing I bought that was a total ripoff was...
I'll go first, my gold leaf coffee this morning. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we'll see you in the next chat room.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.